to draw one tilted line, and then I will do another tilted line, kind of like alphabet V upside down. Then from here I will connect, so this is triangle now. And from here I will do another tilted line going up, and I will draw another one here, and then I will connect this one. From here again I'm going to draw one triangle shape. Now we are going to use this line, and I will do this one going kind of tilted down, one, and then two, the third one, and then fourth one, and then I'm going to erase. Now from here I'm going to do a smiley. I will go here and just one more bump over here, and from here I can pull this one and I can pull this one down. Now I can draw one line over here. This one will go in, and after that little bit bump over here, a small one, and then I will do another one. So this was the point, little bit inside. I'm going to draw kind of a smiley face over here, and then sad face here. So big smiley and then sad. This is the point. From here I'm going to do kind of like a hill. So wherever I'm ending this one, next to that I'm going to make a little bit up line over here, like a hill. And this one I will erase little bit over here, and from this line I'm going to start kind of like alphabet J or U, and this is going to be the thumb area, and then I will go down and up, and I will connect over here. Make sure this line is going on the top. Now from here I'm thinking this arch over here, so I will start from here and I will do a smiley, and I will go in, another smiley, and I will go in, and this is also a smiley, but I will not pull this one inside, and then I will pull this side. So I did this one. Next to this one you can draw a line and then take a point from here. From here we can draw one arch, and this one will go a little bit in. The point I took, this one is going to be a little bit in, and from here again I'm going to draw another arch, make it softer. This one I can turn over here, and from here again one arch over here. So first I will go a little bit straight, kind of, but a little bit bump here and there. From here, like a little bit, slightly, and then another one over here. I'm going to draw one sad face. It will go and connect to this line. From here I will pull this line, kind of like curvy, little bit out, then again curvy, and I will connect from here. And this is also going to be curvy. The way this one is curvy, same thing I will do here. So this was my line, and from here I can do one straight line here. Now I'm going to curve this one a little bit, and I will do alphabet J, and over here I'm going to draw another kind of line over here next to that, and I will do curvy shape over here. So this will be the nail. And I will do one bump and another bump for other finger in the back. Next to this one I will do one curvy here and another curvy, kind of like a sad faces. So this was a straight line. Instead of a straight, I will do a little bit bumpy because it's a baby hand. I can pull this one here, and I can pull this one here, and I can pull this one a little bit up, and this one I can also pull. Now from here I curve this line, and I'm trying to make a heart shape over here.